Welcome to Review Rumble. The best neck roll pillow is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone seeking relief from neck pain, improved posture, or simply a more comfortable travel experience. And today we're diving deep into what makes a neck roll pillow truly stand out from the crowd, exploring the innovative designs and premium materials that promise to cradle your neck in unparalleled comfort, ensuring that whether you're on a long flight, a road trip, or just relaxing at home, you can finally say goodbye to stiffness and discomfort and embrace a new level of relaxation and support. Number 5. RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer. Experience ultimate relaxation for your neck and shoulders. This device is designed to soothe tension and promote comfort. Find relief from TMJ pain with targeted support. It helps to ease discomfort and restore balance. Achieve better cervical spine alignment naturally. This pillow gently stretches and supports your neck for improved posture. Enjoy the benefits of a chiropractic pillow in the comfort of your home. It provides effective decompression for your neck. This neck stretcher offers a gentle yet effective way to release stiffness. Feel the tension melt away with each use. Its attractive dark blue color adds a touch of style to your wellness routine. Relax and rejuvenate in comfort and style. What we like. This neck and shoulder relaxer is designed for targeted pain relief and improved spinal alignment. If you suffer from TMJ pain or chronic neck stiffness, this could be the solution you're looking for. It offers a unique approach to decompressing the cervical spine. What people say. The pillow is made of memory foam, which is very comfortable and supportive. It has a unique ergonomic design that fits the neck curve perfectly. The cover is made of breathable fabric, which keeps you cool and comfortable all night long. Number 4. RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer. Experience ultimate relaxation with our innovative neck and shoulder relaxer. Designed to provide targeted relief, it helps ease tension and discomfort. This device is engineered to help alleviate TMJ pain and promote proper cervical spine alignment. Achieve a healthier posture and feel the difference. Enjoy the benefits of a chiropractic adjustment in the comfort of your own home. It acts as a gentle pillow to stretch and decompress your neck. Simply lie down and let it work its magic. It provides a gentle yet effective stretch to release built-up tension in your neck and shoulders. In a calming blue color, this neck stretcher is your go-to solution for daily stress relief. Rediscover comfort and well-being. What we like. Experience therapeutic relief with this device that focuses on cervical traction and TMJ pain management. If you're seeking to correct your cervical spine alignment and alleviate discomfort, this is a strong contender. It's ideal for those needing a more therapeutic approach to neck pain. What people say. The pillow is designed to provide targeted support for the neck and shoulders, helping to relieve tension and improve posture. Its unique shape allows it to fit comfortably around the curve of the neck, offering a snug and supportive feel. The material is breathable and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for sensitive skin and ensuring a comfortable sleep experience. Number 3. MLVOC Airplane Travel Neck Pillow 3-in-1 Kit. Get everything you need for a restful journey in one package. This kit includes a neck pillow, a comfortable eye mask that won't press on your eyes, and earplugs. Everything conveniently packs into a single drawstring bag. Unlike other pillows, this one is uniquely curved to support your neck in the way you actually sleep. It prevents your head from dropping forward or sideways, ensuring comfort whether you're sitting upright or leaning back. Crafted with real memory foam, it springs back to shape within seconds after you lift your head. This ensures consistent support throughout your entire trip, unlike foam beads that quickly flatten. The soft, breathable cloth cover features a sweat-resistant finish, perfect for long journeys. It easily unzips for machine washing, ensuring a fresh pillow for every trip. Designed for extended travel, this pillow provides the support you need for flights over 10 hours. Its adjustable fit and contoured shape are made to maintain comfort throughout the longest journeys. With its perfect curved shape and adjustable rope lock, you can customize the fit to your exact neck size. This ensures optimal support and comfort, preventing head from falling forward and relieving neck pain. The pillow features a breathable, soft magnetic therapy cloth cover with a sweat-resistant fabric. The pillowcase is machine washable, guaranteeing a clean and comfortable experience every time you travel. What we like. This is the ultimate travel companion, offering more than just neck support. If you're a frequent flyer or road tripper who values a complete sleep solution, this is for you. It bundles a supportive pillow, a comfortable eye mask, and earplugs, ensuring you get rest anywhere. What people say. The pillow is designed to support the neck and head, providing a comfortable sleeping experience. It features a unique shape that contours to the natural curve of the neck, promoting proper spinal alignment. The material is soft and breathable, ensuring a cool and comfortable sleep throughout the night. Number 2. Dot&Dot Twist Memory Foam Travel Pillow. Tired of uncomfortable travel? This pillow offers personalized support, contouring to your unique shape for pain relief wherever you go. It's incredibly versatile. Use it not only for your neck but also to support your head, back, or shoulders while relaxing or reading. Make long journeys more comfortable. This pillow cushions your body and relieves pressure points, ensuring ultimate relaxation on planes, trains, or cars. Keeping it clean is simple. The breathable cotton cover is machine washable, ensuring it's fresh for your next adventure. Take comfort with you easily. Its snap closure allows you to attach it to your luggage or secure it around your neck for hands-free use. Crafted with premium memory foam, it provides adjustable support. Simply air it out if you notice a new foam scent upon arrival. What we like? Get personalized comfort with this uniquely bendable neck pillow. If you need a pillow that can adapt to your specific sleeping position, whether on a plane, in a car, or at home, this is an excellent choice. Its adjustable nature means you can find the perfect support for your neck and head. What people say. The pillow is firm and supportive, perfect for neck pain relief. The ergonomic design cradles the neck and promotes proper spinal alignment. Made with high-density memory foam, it retains its shape and provides lasting comfort. Number 1. OPTP, the original McKenzie cervical roll. Introducing the original McKenzie cervical roll, your solution for better sleep. This high-quality neck pillow is designed to provide optimal support whether you sleep on your back or side. If you suffer from neck, back, or shoulder pain, this cervical pillow is for you. It's specifically designed to offer relief and comfort throughout the night. Crafted from premium foam, it offers the perfect balance of firmness and comfort. The included cover is removable and washable for easy care. This round cervical pillow gently supports your neck to encourage good posture. It helps promote natural sleeping habits for a more restful night. Developed by renowned physical therapist Robin McKenzie, this product is a trusted choice. Experience the difference that expert design can make for your sleep and well-being. Proudly made in the USA, this cervical roll ensures quality craftsmanship. Invest in your comfort and recovery with a product built to last. What we like? This is the original cervical roll designed for optimal sleep support and pain relief. If you prioritize proper posture and targeted neck support while sleeping, this pillow is a fantastic option. It's ideal for individuals experiencing neck, back, or shoulder pain and seeking a reliable, US-made solution. What people say. The pillow is designed to support the neck and head, providing a comfortable sleeping experience. The memory foam material conforms to the shape of the user's neck, offering personalized support and pressure relief. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, easily fitting into a suitcase or carry-on bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.